Hi friends, welcome back to Lean on Me, a place where learning is fun, exciting and very memorable. My name is Mika Akelo and today we are going to learn about nouns. We are going to learn about nouns. Say nouns. Nouns. Nouns are very important because we use them in our everyday life. Every single day that you talk, you are using nouns in your sentences. And without nouns, our sentences will not even make sense. So, what is a noun? A noun is a naming word. A noun is a naming word. You can tell your friend what a noun is. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word. It gives name to a person. For example, mommy, daddy, pilot, doctor, Ifani, Musa, policeman, firefighter, teacher. It also gives name to a place, and examples of places are Abuja, Lagos, Nigeria, Uganda, house, market, school, supermarket, playground. All those are nouns. It gives name to a place. Nouns also give name to a thing. To a thing like banana, earphones, tom-tom, jollof rice, potatoes, yam, biscuit. All these are nouns. It gives name to things, okay? All right. Nouns also gives a name to an animal. For example, dog, cat, elephant, cow, catfish, goat, ram. All these are nouns, okay? A noun also gives a name to an idea or feeling. It also gives a name to an idea or feeling. For example, love. You feel love, and love is a noun. You feel hunger. Hunger is a noun. Oh, happiness. Happiness is a noun. Now, some of you are called happiness, I know, but whether it is a feeling or it is your name, all that is a noun, okay? So, let us play a very small game. We have said that a noun is a naming word. It gives name to a person. It gives name to a person. Can you think of any example of a noun that gives name to a person? Mecca. Yes, my name is a noun. Mecca is a noun. Ooh, Abiola. Yes, Abiola is a noun. It gives name to a person. Khadija. Oh, Khadija is a noun. Khadija is a name of a person. So it is a noun. Nice. Nice. Well done. Well done. All right. Number 2. We said a noun gives a name to a place. A noun gives a name to a place. Can you think of any name of a place? Okay, me, I'm thinking about hospital. Hospital is a noun. It is a name of a place. School. School is a noun. It is a name of a place. Market. Market is a noun. It is also a name of a place. We have also said that a noun gives name to a thing. To a thing. For example, sweater. Sweater is a thing, and sweater is a noun. What about pencil? Yes, pencil is a noun. It is a name of a thing. Bag. Bag is a noun because it is a name of a thing. So, a noun gives a name to a thing, okay? With that, we have come to the end of our lesson or our class today. And just to recap what we have learned, we have said that a noun is a naming word. A noun is a naming word. It gives a name to a person, a place, an animal, feelings, or an idea. It gives a name to a person, a place, thing, feelings, or an idea. And we have said that nouns are everywhere around us. Everywhere you are, you will see nouns. Like everywhere you see nouns. In your school, in your house, even in your mind, you will see nouns in there. If you can name it, it is a noun. Anything you can name, it is a noun. And that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this class as much as I did. And if you found it helpful, do not forget to subscribe and also share with your friends.